Hello and welcome. Today we ask, can AI replace human connections? In a world where digital technology is everywhere, it seems tempting, but is it really enough? Do you know that feeling when it's the middle of the night, your thoughts are racing and nobody else is awake? That's exactly when having an AI to talk to can be worth its weight in gold. AI Companion offer many advantages. They can support us in times of crisis, ease loneliness, and give us the feeling that we are never truly alone, especially when loneliness hits. One huge huge benefit. One huge benefit is that someone is always there for talk to, around the clock. However, real human relationships are built on deep emotional connections, spontaneous interactions, and shared experiences, things that are hard to capture in algorithms. Critics wonder if relying too much on this technology might make us lose the value of genuine closeness. In summary, AI can support us, because it's always available when loneliness strikes. Nothing replaces a real touch, spontaneous laughter, or a warm hug, but it can't replace authentic human connections. It's up to us to find the right balance. Before we wrap up, if you have any questions or thoughts, please drop them in the comments below. Thanks.